Today we're going to talk about Kit, who presented to us in July 2016. He was a Norwood 5 pattern. These are the before pictures, and you can see that he had hair loss of the anterior scalp, mid scalp, extending to the posterior scalp. And this is he had a 2000 graft FUE to cover the interior 1/3 of the scalp. One can see the natural hairline at the front. Can you turn your head to your right, please? How do you feel about the hair transplant?
Well, I feel like a totally different person. I don't know, like before the hair transplant, I don't know, my confidence was like kind of low, and then I was always wearing a hat. But now that I have hair, I don't have to really wear a hat anymore, and I can always just go out in public and not feel, ashamed or whatever that I feel.
To those who are sitting on the fence thinking about a possible hair transplant, what would you say to them?
I'd say, if you're about it, then get it done. Like if you felt like the way I felt, then I would definitely get it done.
Any regrets?
No, I don't have any regrets. Definitely not.
How was your experience with Sure Hair?
Sure Hair was good, and they treated me very well. And I don't know, I was taken care of, so I didn't really feel like any way, like I was pushed or anything. So I felt great. Thank you.
And so would you recommend this to those out there?
Yes, I would definitely recommend it.